Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. Today I've got a foldable Bluetooth keyboard with me. I have to say it is a good looking keyboard and you even got a touchpad. It is quite a slim keyboard and I have to say the build quality is really good on this one. It doesn't feel like cheap, looks feels expensive. So size is 11.89 inches and 3.82 inches. So you can use this thing almost to anything. If you want to use it for your iPad or maybe a laptop, if you want to use it for your tablet or smartphone, anything. So if you do too much typing on your smartphone or maybe on your tablet, I think this keyboard is a really good option for you. The battery on this one is really impressive. They say it runs almost for 48 hours, and I think that is really incredible. And it does got a lithium ion battery inside of it. So let's just grab a phone and quickly connect to a device and let's see how it works. So you just need to turn on the Bluetooth and look for Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard as it shows on the screen. So you just have to tap it and it shows connected. So you're now ready to go. So just set aside this phone and let's see how it works. As you can see, there is a black pointer on my smartphone and it actually works really well. I mean, there are no lags in the movement. So as you can see, it works really good. It's because of the wallpaper. I think you guys can't see the pointer properly. If I had some other wallpaper, I think you could have saw it better. So let's just quickly type something and see how does the keyboard works. If you're the one who does a lot of typing on your devices, I think this keyboard is really good for you. And as you can see, it works really good, and it even got a touchpad. I picked this one for just over 25 euros on eBay, so it's really cheap for a folding Bluetooth keyboard. And as you can see, the pointer is really good as well. So if you are the one who does a lot of typing, I definitely recommend this one. If you want to buy it, just go on eBay and look over there, or just go on Amazon and look for a foldable Bluetooth keyboard. I got this one because I did a lot of typing on my smartphone, and I think it's the best alternative if you don't want to type on your smartphone screen. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.